Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
And I'm Shelby.
And we're opening another window of our advent calendar.
Wow.
On the countdown, it's getting close.
Oh boy.
I think today is 17. I think it's your turn. And I think we're going to have a dangly charm today. Let's see if...
If I can get it open.
Uh-oh. It's
a
not,
cat!
It's not a dangling charm, but it's a cat spacer. See if you can...
It's a cat!
It's a cat head.
It's got yellow on it.
It's
a tabby.
Oh!
Mine.
Isn't that cute? You see the little feet? Alright, well, we got a cat head spacer. Maybe tomorrow we'll get a dangly charm. I guess we'll just have to wait and find out.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
And definitely don't forget to come back. Because I have to make sure to tell you, don't forget to come back. And I'll try, you remind me to come back too, okay?
If she doesn't come back, I might get all the charms. So.
Ooh, I better come back, huh? We'll see you tomorrow, right here at Crazy Dave's Crew.
Bye.